Hi there, and welcome to our channel. If you're interested in learning more about AI, from the basics to advanced concepts, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to be discussing one of the most exciting developments in the world of AI, OpenAI ChatGPT. So, what exactly is OpenAI ChatGPT? Put simply, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, a leading research institute focused on developing AI technologies. The goal of ChatGPT is to enable AI systems to understand and generate human-like text, allowing for more natural and intuitive interactions between humans and machines. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is not only coherent and grammatically correct, but also contextually appropriate and engaging. This means that when you have a conversation with a system powered by ChatGPT, you'll feel like you're talking to a real person, rather than a machine. But ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool that can be used in a wide range of applications, from language translation to content creation and more. In fact, ChatGPT has already been used to generate news articles, answer questions, and even create short stories and poems. So how does ChatGPT work? Like other language models, ChatGPT is trained on large amounts of text data, allowing it to learn the patterns and structures of human language. But unlike other models, ChatGPT is also trained on a wide range of conversational data, which enables it to understand the context and dynamics of human conversation. In conclusion, OpenAI ChatGPT is a groundbreaking language model that is pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and unlock a wide range of new applications and possibilities. We hope you found this video informative, and we encourage you to learn more about ChatGPT and the exciting world of AI. Thanks for watching.